Nestled in the heart of Bengaluru, Damaru Dance Studio is more than just a place to learn classical dance. The studio, founded in 2017 by Jyotishri E.K., a passionate Mohiniyattam dancer who transitioned from a successful engineering career to a full-time dance in 2015. With over a decade of experience, she has performed at prestigious festivals and trained under renowned mentors, making her a prominent young face in Indian classical dance. Some of her notable performances include Surya Festival, Murajapam Festival, Padmanabha Swami Temple, and Kalpataru National Dance Festival, to name a few. Damaru has evolved into a vibrant cultural hub that celebrates not just Mohiniyattam, but the richness of Indian classical arts as a whole. Damaru Studio aims to be a haven where dancers of all ages, backgrounds come together to learn, grow, and thrive. Today, they will be performing Sriman Narayana, a composition by the saint poet Annamacharya, set in Raga Bauli and Aditala. It glorifies Lord Vishnu as the compassionate protector of all beings and the ultimate refugee for devotees. In this presentation, the Sanchari Bhava draws inspiration from the powerful tale of Narasimha Avatara, the fourth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. The story of Prahalada, the ardent devotee, and the dramatic emergence of Narasimha, the half-lion and the half-man form, to destroy the tyrant Hiranyakashipu, is depicted to highlight the Lord's unwavering protection of his true devotees. The performers are Jayashri, Amrita, Dhanya, and Jyotishri.
Sriman Narayana, Sriman Narayana, Sriman Narayana, Sriman Narayana, Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana. ಕಮಲೇ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕಮಲ ಸತಿ ಕಮಲ ಕಮಲ ಹಿತ ಕಮಲ ಪ್ರಿಯೇ ಕಮಲೇ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕಮಲಾಸನಕಿತ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಶ್ರೀ ಕಮಲನ ಪನಿ ಪದ ಕಮಲ ಮೇ ಶರಣಂ ಕಮಲಾಸನಕಿತ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಶ್ರೀ ಕಮಲನ ಪನಿ ಪದ ಕಮಲ ಮೇ ಶರಣಂ ಕಮಲಾಸನಗಿತ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಶ್ರೀ ಕಮಲನ ಪನಿ ಪದ ಕಮಲ ಮೇ ಶರಣಂ ಕಮಲಾಸನಗಿತ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಶ್ರೀ ಕಮಲನ ಪನಿ ಪದ ಕಮಲ ಮೇ ಶರಣಂ ಕಮಲಾಸನಹಿತ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಶ್ರೀ ಕಮಲನಾವನಿ ಪದ ಕಮಲ ಮೇ ಶರಣಂ ಕಮಲಾಸನಹಿತ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಶ್ರೀ ಕಮಲನ ಪರಿ ಪದ ಕಮಲ ಮೇ ಶರಣಂ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶ್ರೀಪಾದ ಮೇ ಶರಣಂ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶ್ರೀಪಾದ ಮೇ ಶರಣಂ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಪರಮಯೋಗಿ ಜನ ಆಗದೇಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಪರಾ ಪರಾ ಪರಮಯೋಗಿ ಜನ ಭಾಗದೇಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಪರಾ ಪರಾ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಪರಮಾಣು ರೂಪ 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 ನಾರಾಯಣ 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 ಪರಮಾ